Hey viewers, today we will talk about the ratio, rates and time. Today's topic is ratio. Ratio is the comparison of two or more quantities in the same kind. Same kind means there will be the same unit. If there are numbers, there is no need to use this conversion. But if they are involved the conversion, it means kg and grams, liters, milliliters and different quantities of same quantity, but we make their unit same first and then do the question. And the symbol of ratio is this one. These two dots is the symbol of ratio, but symbol as it is don't have any unit. Yani it means ratio has no unit. Ratio can be written in fraction, so I can write this as a fraction and solve it and simplify it. But I do the both method. First I convert it in 1 kg is equal to, this is the key for this question, 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So we have 1.5 kg. We just multiply this 1.5 into 1000 grams and it will be 1500 grams. So we put here 1500 grams rather than the 1.5 kg. Basically we convert kgs into grams. So both are, now they are, this 0 will be cut with this and we use the table of 5 here. 5 3s are 15, 5 zeros are 0 gram, 5 7s are 35 and grams. This is our answer because 7 is the prime number and it will not divided by any number, which is used we in 30. And the alternate method, we can write it in fraction. So we write this 1500, but conversion is very necessary before doing the question, and we write it, first digit we write in numerator and second is in denominator, and we just cut it 5, table of 5, and 5 3s are 15 and 0, 5 7 are this. So which is in numerator we write here and which is denominator we write here on the second place, and in this way the ratio will take place. Second type of question is the fractional questions of the ratio. First we see here there are the things, we simplify numerator and denominator, numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator, but we can't cross multiply it. Remember this thing. So this will be cut on the same table. So we use here 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. Now it will 5 by 8 and this is 9 by 7. Now we take the LCM of the denominators. Where involved the denominator, we take the LCM. 8 ones are 8 and 7. Not the prime factorization, not necessary to do here. Just take the LCM in the same way. So this is equal to 56. Now both side, which is our LCM, we multiply with both side 56 and ratio sign as it is on its place, and 9 by 7 and 56. So 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56, 7 ones are 7, 7 eights are 56, 7 fives are 35 and 9 eights are 72. If here is 70, so then it will be again cut on the table of 5, but now they are two different and there is no common table here. So this is our answer. In the C part, here involve the decimal. In first part we convert them in grams and kilograms, we make their kind or make their unit same. In the second part we work with the fractional part, and in this part first we remove this decimal. So it will be 45 divided by 100 and 58 divided by 100. Now we can, I told you कि this 100 will be cut with this 100, numerator cut with numerator on the same table. But the second method which I explained you, कि we take the LCM of, if there are different so we take the LCM. Now here are the same thing, so we can cut here, and we have 45 and 58. And now we see if there is common any table here, so then we take common from them, but there is nothing common in this, and this is your answer. In D part, 580 milliliter, 1.12 liter and 104 milliliter, there involve the more than 2 and 3 quantities. It means there is comparison between the two things. The minimum we need the two things, but here involve the three things. So first we make see if there is any unit. So first we make them the same unit, milliliter, but here is liter. So we convert this liter into milliliter. 1 liter we know is equal to 1000 milliliter, and this is called the key. 1.12 liter is equal to 1.12 multiplied by 1000. We know when we multiply the things with 100,000, our point move on the right side. So our point move on the right side. 1.12 if I write and we move it on the 3 decimal, so this will empty and point will be here, and our answer is 1120 milliliter. In this way we solve the question. And here two zeros are here. Now first we write their conversion, 1120 milliliter. Now don't write liter here, we change it into milliliter. Now we see which table we use here. Here is involve 4 0 0. We can't use the table of 10, so we use that table which is divisible on the all three things. Don't take any one table for them. You use one table on the same quantities. So I take the table of 4 here. 4 ones are 4, but you can use table of 2 first and table of 2 second time. This is also the method. 4 ones are 4 and 16. This one 18. 4 fours are 16 and 2. 4 fives are 20. And 4 twos are 8. 9, 10, 11, 32. 4 eights are 32. 0 milliliter. And 4 twos are 8. 2, 24. 4 6 are 24. Now this is your answer, because 145 is divisible on 5, but these both are on 2. So there is nothing will be common in the all three things. So this is our answer. In E part, there are 3 fraction involved. 2 and 8 comes on the same table, but 3 is not. So we take first their LCM, and it is easy for us to do the question. And 3 ones are 3, 2 and 8 as it is. Now we take the table of 2 here. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, and 4 ones. 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 4. 6 fours are 3, 2s are 6, 6 fours are 24. So our LCM is 24. Here we don't take LCM like this. In ratio we multiply the LCM with each number into 24. 3 by 2 into 24 and 5 by 8 into 24. 3 8s are 2 12s are 8 3s are. Now we have 2 multiplied by 8. 8 2s are 16. 12 3s are 36. 5 3s are 15. We know 15 and 16 don't come at the same table, so this is our answer. Thank you.